Today we'll be discussing about finance tools. On the platform down below in the navigation bar, you can app marketplacer and you can search for finance tools. You have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts or you can choose them all. It's up to you. If you choose them all, it will be giving you the option to enable automatic future installation. But for right now, we will be choosing a specific sub account that is location one. Continue with that, allow and install. As you can see, it is successfully installed. Now moving back to Buds, the agency level. It just takes a while. In the meanwhile, we will discuss the next step that is moving forward to Buds, the sub account on which we have installed finance tools. As you can see, it installed. Let's choose location one. We are here on location one now. Just choose automations in the navigation bar and just create a workflow to check on the actions are working correctly or not. Here we are in our workflow builder. Let's just create a new action and see what finance tool is providing to us. Here it is. With the finance tools, you can just calculate your mortgage, IBN, exchange rate, the crypto price, and convert currency. Let's just choose mortgage calculator. You will be entering the amount. Let's just choose 10,000 with the interest rate of 7% and the years will be 5. Save this action, save the whole, and now we'll be testing our workflows. To set an example, choose any of your contact, run this test, and head towards the execution log. As you can see, the action has been executed now. It is that simpler, easier. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.